Meghalaya Legislative Assembly went live on the NeVA platform on 9 September 2022. With NeVA, our legislative processes have speed up legislative procedures where we are able to respond more swiftly and save a lot of our precious time. For example, before the implementation of NeVA, we could complete our legislation works late at night, but now after the implementation of NeVA, all the session works were completed early. In terms of transparency and accountability, NeVA has made it easier for us to keep track of legislative activities, ensuring transparency and accountability in every decision we take. The public can now monitor our work with greater ease. The application has helped our Assembly in reducing the expenditure by 75% on paper usage, printing, storage, and transportation, resulted in notable cost savings. By going paperless, we were able to save not only time and money, but most importantly, save trees, aligning our legislative efforts with our environmental goals. With the use of NeVA during Assembly sessions, honorable members were able to submit legislative matters like Assembly questions, motions, resolutions, notices, etc. online. The honorable members have found it easier to access data, gather information, and allow them to focus more effectively on serving the people of our state. The communication between the government departments with the Assembly Secretariat is mostly online.